So we're going to have a look at the basic structure of a OneNote. Now, I'm on the welcome page at the moment, and your teacher might choose to modify this and have different information on the page as they like. But I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on this little arrow, and that's going to bring up my section groups here. At the moment, I'm in a section, so this purple represents a section, and then these layered versions here represent section groups. Now, this very first section group is called the collaboration space. And when we're in this space, we can use it to do work together. And your teacher can either do work together as a whole class, or they can put you into groups in here. But that's something for your teacher to worry about. The content library is definitely worth knowing. The content library is essentially a space for you to view things, but you can't edit them, but your teacher has full control. Now, how they're structured and they look is totally up to your teacher. And so here's an example one where we've got our subjects here, and then when we click on that, we've divided them up into terms. And when I click on term 1, it'll show me the activities that are currently sitting in there. Now, as a student, I can't change any of this. The other part that you'll see is your name. So this just says student 1, but that will say your name instead. And your teacher will set this up for you as well. So they'll set up how they want it to look for you. And quite often it can be the same. Now, the structure might not exactly be the same as what you're seeing on the screen right now, but I'm sure it'll be something similar.